Let's write the documentation for sign up. First of all, I need to have a user model. I'm going to copy the same song model and I'm going to paste it here. Let me replace the name song to user. And we have 4 properties. First name is required, and last name is also required. I also have email and password. Let's define here password. The first property is first name. The second property is last name, and I have email and password. Let me rename the last name to email, and here we have password. Now we need to use this model inside the path. I'm going to create a new path for the sign up. /users sign up, and we need to use the post verb. So I'm going to copy this object. Let me replace that. I did not create the tag for the user. Let's create it here. Users API for users endpoint. Let me redefine the tag here. Users API endpoint to create new user. Create new user in the database. User params to create new user. To register new user, or you can say that register new user. This is my definition model user. A new user has created. I also need a success response sign up response. Let me create the new model with sign up response. I'm going to create it here. Let's do it here. Sign up user, and I have only one property. Let's define the properties. Success, and the type of the success is boolean. I did an extra. Now I need to use this model. Sign up response. Let me double check the name. Yep, it's sign up response. Let's try to test it. If we have users endpoint /users/sign up. Let me create a new user. I don't need to provide the ID. First name is Kane. Last name is William. Kane at Gmail. Okay. I also need to provide the password. Let's create the new user. Success true. A user has created. I also need to update the name of the body, which is user. We have sign up response. Oops, something goes wrong. Could not render this component. Oops, I need to specify the type here. Let me add another bracket. Let me check the sign up response. If we have user success is boolean. This is the example value. Let's try to create again. String at yahoo.com. Let's do it string. Oops, I need to write the name. Let me write the email string at email.com. I'm going to create a new user. A user has created.